Hi guys, this is Tushar Shetty and I'm back at IDALS. My second tutorial is up on the website. My choreography on Dil Dooba. It's an intermediate choreography for all of you all to learn. It's one of my favorite performances from Super Dancer and you guys have shown a lot of love to it. So finally it's here. This cool t-shirt and cap that you all see. Urban Monkey, thank you so much for giving me this. This is really cool. I'm gonna do my showcase in this, I think. So yeah, let's get into class. Okay, so let's start learning the choreography. Before we start, this is one of my favorite songs. A lot of y'all have really liked my choreography. Every time I've danced to this song. मैंने तेजस के साथ पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था और फिर फ्लोरिना के साथ सुपर डांसर 4 में परफॉर्म किया था. The song is Dil Dooba. So what I'm going to teach you all today is just one small section from the choreography. My favorite part actually. This choreography is influenced क्योंकि it was a music edit. बहुत सारे afro beats add होके एक अलग flavor दिया था ये section को just to make it look different from the rest of the song, which is why I thought I should teach this because it's also like really fun because there's a lot of grooves and yeah, like I said, afro के basics बहुत use किया है मैंने ये choreography में, but just to make it clear, I'm not teaching afro, it's a choreography. Afro flavor है, afro vibe है, afro grooves है. So yeah, let's start learning the choreography. Let's break it down into 3 sections. You already know the process. I'm going to start with the first part. Because it's a music piece, my counts might not make sense to you all, but I will try my best to stay in rhythm. Slowly start karenge or I'm sure we'll get there. Okay, let's go. So starting with dhum tak tak dhum tak tak. Yes, okay. So the first music starts dhum tak, tak, doom, tak, tak. That's your beat. Let's follow this while we learn the choreography, okay? Doom, tak, tak, bass, tak, tak, okay? So you start with a stomp with your right leg. You're going to roll it out to stomp. Yes, that's your bass. That's your bass. You're going to prep for the bass. This is when you actually hit the beat. Yes, so bass, ka, ka. Yes, so what exactly are we doing with the legs and the arms? My arms are also going to go exactly like my right leg to go out, bass. Yes, bass is when you hit strong. Yes, make sure you hit this position so you don't lose your balance. Yes, right here, grounded, my arms are going to be here. Yes, all at once and boom. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll, boom. Yes, and 1 is when you start dancing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and bass, ka. The first snare is just your pelvis coming up. The second one is just your elbows lifting up. Yes, my fist is going to stay there. Yes, so from my first position, this is my first bass to go ka, ka. That's it. Yes, let's just try this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go bass, ka, ka. Nice. Moving on. The second bass, what I'm going to do is I'm going to release my energy, shift to my left side with just a small bounce to go bass and. Bass and. Yes, stay in control. Boom. That's your bass. Boom. Hit and come back. Stay in control. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass and. Nice. Moving on. Ka, ka. I'm going to shift my weight backwards and then I'm going to shift my weight forward. Yes. So back, forward. That's what my body is doing. Okay. So back, forward. Yes. I use my left leg. My body weight stays on my left leg both the times. Even when I go back, step your right again to go forward and step your left. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and front. Yes. Now as soon as you land, you're going to end this with a toe tap. Yes. So back and front and. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and front and. Yes. This is just a breakdown. We're still going boom, ka, ka, boom, ka, ka. Just so you know. Okay. Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go bass, ka, ka. Bass, ka.